Yo, what's going on, everybody? Lewis of the Way Your Kick channel. How we doing today? Today is February 12th. Shoes finally got here, guys, and yeah, only 3,900 pairs on the Sneakers app, but I was able to go ahead and catch this pair here off Sneaker Politics. And yeah, this is my first video since the Eagles went ahead and basically manhandled them Chiefs. But we're here to talk about what's in this box. The label on here reads Nike Air Diamond Turf Premium Black Metallic Gold. Yes, sir. These are the Diamond Turf signing days, guys. And let me know what you all think about this shoe here in particular. Now, I'm going to hold off on my rating of the shoe to the very end of the video, but I will say in hand, it's a pretty decent looking shoe. You got black leather all over. You obviously got the black leather strap here with the giant gold swoosh across it. On the lateral and medial side, you see some of that caging there is gold, but if you go ahead and open it up here on the inside, you can see it's actually silver. We have black laces laced up in there with gold tips on them. The tongue itself, it does say Diamond Turf on it, and it has the 21 and 24 on there, representing his football and baseball numbers, because not only did Deion Sanders play in the NFL, but he also played baseball as well for 4 different teams. I believe I have it written here. It was the Atlanta Braves, it was the New York Yankees, Cincinnati Reds, and the San Francisco Giants. Now, inside the sock liner here, you do have Deion Sanders' signature down there on the insole foot pad. And on the back of the shoe, you got a gold swoosh, and it does say, "You gotta believe." And taking a look here at the outsole, all black outsole, very deep as far as the traction is concerned. Now, this shoe was designed to be not only used on the football field, but the baseball field as well, because as I said earlier, your guy Deion was a 2-sport professional athlete. Now, let's go ahead and take a look here at the right shoe, and surprisingly we have an extra set of white laces that apparently you can put in here, and I will definitely give you that visual when I do the on-feet portion here of the video. On the back, it also says "You gotta believe." Forgot to mention, we do have the pull tabs here on the back of both shoes, and inside here you also have Deion's signature written down there on the insole foot pad, guys. There's nothing necessarily different here on the right shoe versus the left shoe. I will say though, forgot to mention here, taking a look at that outsole, we have Nike written there on the midsole, guys. Air here on the back of the heel. I meant midsole, not outsole, because I showed you the outsole already. But yeah, and I mean, listen, the purpose of this shoe obviously was because of the fact that when Deion signed with the Atlanta Falcons, he was wearing a black leather jacket with gold chains around him and stuff like that, man. I'm gonna give you that picture visual right there. And man, Deion is just my man with Showtime, you know what I'm saying? Drafted by the Atlanta Falcons there out of Florida State back in 1989. And then we got the Diamond Turf silhouette there in 1993. Now, the Falcons pair obviously has been moving like hotcakes. Every time it restocks, it just goes poof. You know, a lot of people out there botting the heck out of this shoe. But man, let's go ahead and throw these on feet, and then we'll close out the video. And I'll make sure to give you guys my ranking as well. Alright, you guys, so here's an up close look of the Diamond Turfs here with the white laces in them, and let me know what you guys think. The white laces, they're not terrible in my opinion. Not sure if I would actually stayed with them. I don't know. I don't really know. I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say down in the comment section below. But as far as this shoe is concerned, I mean, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. The leather quality on here, at best, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. That's what I'm giving these at best. These, I don't know, man. Something about the leather on here reminds me of like, basically your, grade school lunch lady specials. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how else to describe it. I'm sorry for those of y'all out there who love the shoe and you feel like I'm disrespecting it right now. That's just the vibe that it's giving me. But like I said, man, I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say. Please smash that like button for me. And if you're new to my channel, I appreciate you tapping in. Please hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.